I hope y'all are doing really, really, really good today. It's a Friday. Everybody happy, and we're going to have a good time with this video because this is a video about an electronic device that I found, and I want to share it with my Whipping It Up family. You hear me? Yes. So this is not no food. This is electronic. So y'all, I love Bluetooth. I'm just going to tell you right now. I no longer hold a phone to my ear. I'm not going to do it. I've been this way for about 10 years now. I'm not talking on the phone with nobody holding a phone to my ear. Do you hear me? Okay. So I was in this store called Five Below. I'm pretty sure everybody have heard about it. They had these devices right here. And I said, you know what? They only $5. Let me go ahead and pick up one. So yes, I did. And let me just tell y'all right now, my fingernail is chipped with the polish, so don't judge me. Thank you. Back to the program. So I found this. It's called the Cube earbuds. So we're gonna open it up, and I'm gonna give y'all a little hint. Spoiler alert, I have already opened these up and tried them out. So that's why I wanted to bring it to my family and show y'all what we working with, okay? So I'm gonna be honest, I did not read no instructions because I'm kind of techie and I already know how to hook these things up. Now I want to show y'all something because I have a particular earpiece that I have used for about the last 5 or 6 years. Okay, this is the one that I use. It's called Jabra, and this one is the one that has worked for me. I like it because it wraps around your ear, and it's easy to stay in. And the little earpiece, I don't have a problem. The little rubber thing done fell off, but hey, it's fine. So I keep these locked and loaded in a safe place. So that's what I have now. Now these are going to be my backup. So I just want to show y'all that they do work for $5. $5. So I'm going to show y'all how they work because I think they kind of dead. So this is the little case they come in. I think that number right there is how many minutes you got left on the charge, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and open these little things up. As you can see, one of them is already in red. But that's okay. I'm going to quickly connect these things and show y'all that they do work. But I love that little case. So they got the little, like all of them do, they got the little R for right ear and the little L for the left ear. What I did not like is that they didn't come with different size ear rubber things. But I guess for $5, what more can you expect? So let's go ahead and hook this up to my phone on camera. So now, by the way, that's me. So we're going to press the Bluetooth. We're going to turn the Bluetooth off. And then we're going to press it on again to connect the buds. As you see, my Jabra is right there. My car is right there. And the light blue buds is these right here. So you can see I've already connected it. So we're going to click on the light blue buds. And boom, it connected that fast. So now what we're going to do, we're going to put these things on in my ear. And let's see what we're working with. No, I don't want to do Bixby. Now, listen. I can't even. There we go. I got it in my ear. So I'm going to press done because it is connected to my phone. Now, we're going to get some music going so I can show y'all that these things be working, honey. Where's my music? Right here. Alright, so. Okay, it just fell off. Okay, I'm sorry. So we're going to play. Let's get some Usher going on. Some good. Y'all, this thing is straight up bumping. Oh, okay, wait a minute. They falling out. Okay. I can't position it in my ear. And this is the touch thing. I'm glad that this is happening on the camera. Because this is why I don't like these things. Y'all, if you press this, it stops it. I know you can't hear it, but it stops it. If you hit it 2 times, it skips it to the next song. So you can see it on the screen. So now it's playing Pressure. I'm going to hit it. Look. You see how it's playing Chingy? Y'all, these things are the bomb. I really like them for $5. So this is the right one. So I got it in my ear. Here go the left one. I'm going to hit this one. it reversed it. If you hit the left, it reversed it to the previous song. Y'all, I really like these things. So I'm finna disconnect to show y'all that they were connected. You can see it right there. It's connected. I'm gonna disconnect it. Turn it off. Let's see if it'll play. It's playing through my phone now. So y'all, I just wanted to do a quick little demonstration that these earbuds, they do work. They are really good for $5. Let me go ahead and turn them off and get them charged up. I don't like it because it comes with this little short cord. But, you know, like I said, what do you expect for $5? So I'm going to go ahead and put these back in the box. And what's going to happen, I'm going to put them back in their respective little hole because I love them. And how to charge it, you stick this thing in the charger hole right here and plug it into your USB, and they're going to charge, okay? Okay, so I just wanted to show y'all how these things work. And I hope that, you know, this maybe encourages somebody if you need something real quick until you can get you a more expensive earbuds or something. Hopefully this can help you. Again, I got this at Five Below. And it's a good little buy. So I hope y'all have a good day. I'm not going to hold you up. Y'all have a good weekend. Bye.